सो वी हैव अराइव्ड एंड यहाँ पे बारिश है. So this is the place we are staying right now. सब लोग आ रहे हैं अंदर. This is welcome. सो गाइस, ये हमारा रूम है. इसका नेम है रोबस्टा एंड वी आर स्टेइंग हियर राइट नाउ. और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे पूरा फॉग है. रेन ही चल रहा है. जनवरी में यहाँ पे रेन गिरती है. एंड देख सकते हो कॉफ़ी चेरीज उधर भी है. यहाँ भी है. मैं आपको क्लोज और लोग दिखाता हूँ थोड़ा. तो आप देख सकते हो ये अनराइप चेरीज़ है. एंड यहाँ पे भी है. सो आसपास जितना भी एरिया है सब में कॉफ़ी 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 है. एंड वहाँ पे भी सर लोग रुके हुए. एंड यू कैन सी. और हम आपको रूम टूर दिखाते हैं थोड़ा. सो यहाँ हमारा डबल बेड है. इधर एक सिंगल बेड है. यहाँ पे गोप्रो रखा है. यहाँ पे अंदर आओगे तो सोना रूम टाइप बना है थोड़ा. एंड दिस इज वॉशरूम. ये देखो एक चमन है अंकुश भाई. सो लेट्स गो. हम लोग जाएंगे थोड़ा लंच करते हैं. अभी 3-3:30 बजे बज गए. तो एक आपको मिलते हैं 10 मिनट में. मैंडेटरी है. ये सब बाकी से बाद में ट्राई करेंगे.
No crop. That means they'll have only silver oak and coffee. So then you wouldn't get as much flavor in the cup. The more jungle trees that you have, the better flavor it provides for the. But ideally, to be sustainable, you need to have silver oak and jungle trees. It goes directly onto the Wayman scales and then we dump it into the fruit tank. Fresh water moves the coffee cherries down to the siphon tank, the float tank, where basically the lightweight beans which are immature will float on the top. So we remove that, and then the heavier fruit that goes down in the water will be brought up into the pulping machine. So coffee has 5 layers of skin. The pulping machine will remove 3 layers of skin. And here we, after the pulping is done, we take it directly to the drying yard. You know, or you always see that a lot of people are cutting trees. So if normally we cut 100 trees, we plant 1,000 trees. So this is a nursery that we have all the young silver oak trees ready to be planted this year. So even if we cut about 100 trees, then we'll replace them with 1,000 trees every year. So it's also a crop.
Reasons for cutting trees?
So you have to harvest them.
Yeah.
It's like a crop. If you leave the trees for more than 15 years, then it will deteriorate. So you have have to harvest it and then replant it. By the size of the bean, we bring it to the gravity separator that segregates it by the density of the bean or weight of the bean. The lighter weight beans get rejected, the heavy beans, high in density, get accepted. This is done by just using a simple fan. The fan blows, the lighter ones get blown off, the heavier ones get accepted. This is a Spectrum, it's made in Bangalore.
लवंग है लवंग. हाँ लवंग एकदम ताजी.
Goes up, gets fed into the hopper. This has 2 sets of high definition cameras which will identify anything except green color. That is black, brown, red, white, yellow color beans will be identified using the air compressor. Those will be rejected and only the green color beans will be accepted. Once this is done, then we will bag it in a Grain Pro bag, the green ones, and then in a jute bag over that. It will be packed in 60 kilo bags, as you guys know, and then shipped out from here. We normally take it out this way in a truck and then we store it in the godown in the back, and then once the vehicle comes, we load it on there. So basically we were starting 3 years after Blue Tokai basically started the brand, and we had a budget, we wanted on each line state-of-the-art machinery, but we didn't have enough budget, so we told Probat at that time to kind of get us a good machine that was reused, and we bought it and refurbished it and installed it here. We heard that it came directly from Germany at that time, so we thought it was a good idea. So, similarly for our grinders, it's also refurbished grinders, but we wanted good ones, so. So inside that room is our warehouse where we store our coffee beans. You guys can go inside and just take a. Yes. Ladies. So guys, please just order whatever coffees you guys want. They'll just note it down and then serve you. Yeah. There's cappuccino, americano, and then. Note पड़ेगा भी ये जो समोसा सैंडविच वाला रेडी है कुछ ऑब्वियस रूट पर
435, so it's just gonna go, the processing will go continuously like around what, 8-9.
Yeah.
So imagine like the effort what they are adding to make sure that every cup of coffee what we are like serving, what we are having, that is best. So yeah, a big thanks to both of them and the entire like Kaveri Peak team for like the
Guys, there are restrooms in the back if you all want to use before you all get on the vehicle. Straight and right.
5 minutes come on, निकलना है.
Yes. So I'll just count down 3. We'll just shout coffee. I started the video. 3, 2, 1. Coffee. So हमारे GoPro का बैटरी पूरा डाउन हो चुका है, इसलिए अंदर रखा है. सर आपका कैसे था एक्सपीरियंस विजिटिंग दिस MSP?
Amazing. We got to learn about coffee,
Yes.
the varieties which they grow here, the microclimate and the elevation, how it impacts coffee quality, and it was an amazing piece of information altogether. Thank you.
What about the climate?
Climate is, so we learned what microclimate is in particular, and since the environment is very misty, this is what contributes to the actual coffee quality. That's what we learned today. Thank you.
Thank you.